A fun fact about me, you guys, is that I love tea. I am a tea enthusiast. I just got this peppermint tea and I thought to myself, this peppermint tea is made out of peppermint leaves. So do you think we can take this and make some peppermint oil? I don't know. Keep on watching and let's find out. So there are two ways that you can infuse the oil. One way is that you can put the contents in a jar and put the jar in direct sunlight and do it the natural way. That way may take a little bit longer, from like days to weeks to months, depending on how potent you want it. So that's one way. The second method, and the method I'll be using today, is called the double boiler method. And that's basically when you use steam to heat the contents in a bowl. So to do that method, you're just going to need a pot, a measuring cup to measure out some water, a bowl of some sort, and that's all you need. So let's get right into it. So when you're making any oil, you want to have a carrier oil. So you can use olive oil, coconut oil, or like grapeseed oil like I did for my almond oil video. So today I'm just going to be using good old-fashioned olive oil that you can see I got from Kroger. So here we go. I didn't measure the oil. I kind of just eyeballed a good amount and put it in. So I have my tea bags. I also just ripped the stem off the tea bag, and so I just put that in the oil. So now we're going to go ahead and boil our water and then put this bowl on top of the pot. And that's how we do it. Check out the peppermint. And by the way, it smells really, really good. The peppermint tea bags, highly recommend. So the water is boiling on the stove, and now it's ready for me to put the bowl on top of the pot. So as you can see, the water is boiling underneath the bowl, and the steam is going to go ahead and heat that oil and let the peppermint tea bags do its thing. So this is the container I'll be using. If you saw my almond oil video, you'll know that I use this container to put in some almond oil. That's the stuff at the bottom here. But honestly, I'm going to be making a hair growth oil composed of lots of oils. So I'm just going to mix the rest of this with the peppermint oil, and we're going to add more and more layers. So make sure you're subscribed to see all the layers that I'm going to fill this bottle with an ultimate hair growth oil, and we're going to see if that hair growth oil works. So I'm going to go ahead and put the peppermint oil into the container. All right, guys, here's the finished product. I let it simmer for like several hours, but I think it came out really good. It really smells like peppermint oil, and I can't wait to use it. So yeah, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next oil that I'm going to do. I'm thinking maybe rosemary. So make sure you're subscribed, and I hope you like this video and give the big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.